guys, today's video is going to be a haul. As you guys can tell, I don't know why I said haul like that. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing a massive haul. Thank you to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video because as you guys know, Princess Polly is one of my favorite brands ever, and this might be one of my favorite hauls I've ever had. Like, I just love all of the pieces that I've got, so I am so excited to be sharing these with you guys. So I will have every single Princess Polly item linked down below. I also have an amazing discount code for you guys, so you guys can use the code 20Keaton and save 20% off of your purchase. So any of these items, don't forget to use my code. I know you're going to buy these items because I'm honestly obsessed and they're just so good. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I don't have any particular order of how I'm starting this, but I will just start pulling from the beautiful pile that I have over here. So the first item that I have is this really cute little tank top. I just thought this was so simple with a little butterfly. I was thinking I really have like a vision for this, is wearing this tank top with low rise, super baggy jeans and like some sneakers. I think it's just such a look, like just keeping it really simple. I just thought that would be so cute, so I love this one. Also, I forgot to mention this top, so we should have just started with this one. This zebra button up is so cute. I actually have it tied right now, like as a little crop. I just think it's so cute and simple and fun, and I've really been wanting more zebra print. For some reason, I have a like long zebra print dress, but I've been wanting a different top I could wear, and I really like this one. I also will put all of the sizes for everything down below. I will say them as well, but I will also have all the sizes listed next to all the links so that you guys know, because I know that's really helpful for you guys. So for the tank top, I got this in a size 2, a US 2, and I believe for the button up right here, I got a US 4. Next up, I just got a plain white crop top, and I know what you're thinking, like, Keaton, honestly, how many white crop tops do you need? But I had like multiple, and then for some reason they all turned blue. I think I washed them with a t-shirt or something with blue that I shouldn't have, so I really need a new one, and I love this one. I like the crop of it, I like the feel of it. It's a really good thick material, so I know it's not going to be like sheer and see-through, and I also like that the ends of it are open, like it's not a hard end, if you get what I mean, like it's just cut. I also got this in a size US 4. Oh my gosh, guys, this skirt. So I got this skirt, and this is a cream, beautiful slit, like maxi or midi. No, it's a midi, I think. Midi skirt. It is beautiful. I just thought this would be so pretty for fall. I can just see this layered with like a sweater over the top with like my Balenciagas. I just thought this would be beautiful. It is very like loose and a thin material, so I like that because it is way hotter here in Arizona than other places. So when I am dressing for fall, I have to keep that in mind. So I really love this, and I also like the designs and prints on it as well. Next up, we've got another crop top. So I've got this one. I got this in a, oh, I didn't say the skirt. I got the skirt in a US 2, and then I got this tank top in a US 4. So this is one of those tank tops that is, it's not like right at your belly button crop top, it's like under your boob crop. So this is a very cropped tank, and so I got it in a size 4 because I figured if I got a 2 it would be way too small. But I just thought this was, again, another look that would be really cute with like baggy jeans, baggy shorts, like something like that. I'm really just into the simple tops, and the little heart is barbed wire, and I thought that was really adorable. Next up, we've got this beige nude tank, or not tank, tee. And I really like this because of the material. So it's not like a cotton. Actually, let me see what material this is, because it feels so good. It's cotton and polyester, and it feels like so perfectly thin. Like I just know when I sweat in this, like it's not gonna be, because I know I'm gonna sweat in it. I sweat every day. So I just know when I sweat in this, it's not gonna be like hot and stuck to my body. Like it's a very good material, and I just really liked this. I think this will be really good for fall, like when I'm layering and stuff. If I wanna like do this with like a sweater, like a cardigan over, or like anything like that. I just thought this would be the perfect like look for this, and you guys know I love a good nude. And I got this in a size US 2. Next up, knocking it out with the nude tees, I got this one, and this one's actually a mesh t-shirt. So I'll show you here, like my hands, like you guys can see completely through it. So I would wear either like a tank top underneath this, or just like a nude bralette or a black bralette if I wanted to like have that kind of look. But I really love this. I think this is another one of those t-shirts that it's like has a graphic on it, so you really don't need to style it a huge way. Wearing this with like Bermuda shorts or like a cute little maxi skirt, like I think this would be so cute, like tucked into something. I definitely have a vision for all of these outfits. That's why I think I'm most excited about them, but I just really like this because I think when I have a tan, this will look really beautiful, just the color of it. Next up, we've got a sweater. So this sweater is just like a mint, I don't know if it's mint, no, it's more like a sage green. It's beautiful, just has these little buttons on the side or down the middle. I got this in a small/medium. I wanted this to be like a cute little cropped cardigan. I could wear a really cute white tank underneath it and like leave the buttons open, or you could wear it with just the buttons closed and then a little bralette underneath it. Next up, I've got this skirt, and I know this skirt is a little bit more spring, but I still thought it was really cute. So it's just got like all these little flowers and colors all over. I absolutely love this. I love that it has little buttons down the front. Even like transitioning into fall, like you could wear this skirt but with an oversized like sweater over top of it, either like a black sweater or nude or something like that. I think this would be a really cute look. Okay, so when I picked this next piece out, I was so excited and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is gonna be the best piece ever. I'm in love with it. And it is. And then as I picked it out from Princess Polly, I go on my Instagram and like 5 of my other friends have it, and I'm like, okay, so I'm kind of salty, but I love it, so I'm still gonna wear it. It is this set. It is this plaid, again, like sage green work set, like a business set. I love this. It's blazers and trousers, and that is just my favorite thing. I feel like the whole blazer and trouser trend is still gonna continue into the fall because I don't know, I just feel like these colors and this style is still gonna carry on. So I think this is gonna be so freaking pretty. I think you can style just the blazer by itself, but also you can style the pants by themselves. And I like these because I got them in a US 4, I believe. Yeah, I got them in a 4. And they're really loose fitting on like my thighs and stuff, which I really like because I hate when pants, like if I want them to be loose or straight leg, I hate when they're stuck on your thighs and then they're straight towards like your shin or your feet or whatever. Like it gets straight at the end. I want them straight all the way down. Like I don't want them sectioned on my thighs. So I really like this because it's like gives me the perfect comfort. And I just love this set. I was so excited about it, and now all my friends have it, but that's fine. We can all just be matching and it'll be a look. Next, I got this cute little dress. This is one of the dresses I am most excited about. It is this strapless silk satin white dress. I just really love this because I feel like this is something that is so adorable and you just throw it on. Like I can just throw this on with some sneakers, put some hoops in, and it would be such an easy, simple look, whether you're going to brunch or I feel like you can really like make this dress versatile because you can definitely dress it up. Like I know if I wanted to, you could wear like really nice heels with this and like a leather jacket or something and dress it up, but I definitely see myself dressing this down with some sneakers and hoops, and I just thought it was so freaking pretty. I also got this in a size US 4. Another dress I got is this one. It's just a long sleeve. I have a dress that is from Princess Polly, and it is this exact dress but in a white pattern, and I got so many compliments on it when I posted it on my Instagram like years ago. And then I saw this and I was like, why am I so infatuated with this dress? Why do I love it? Why do I need it? And then I was like, Keaton, it's the same dress they already have in a different pattern. So it's just this nude brown little polka dot. Again, I think that this dress is like perfect for fall because it just has that nude, like dark aspect. Like we're not doing as much bright colors anymore. We're keeping it nude, but it's still very girly. And I do think I got this a little too short for me. This is a US 2. I love the fit of it. I just think like my boobs are a little bit much in it. So if I would have gotten a 4, I could have like kind of covered them a little bit more. Next up, I've got a blazer dress, and I love it. You guys know I just said I'm into the blazer trend. I love the blazer trend. So this one is just a pink plaid blazer dress. So I got this one in a size extra small, I think. Yeah, I got this in a size extra small, and I love it. I think it fits great. One of my favorite things about this is that it is smaller on the waist. So a lot of blazer dresses or like those kind of things are just all frumpy, like they just go straight down, but they don't really give you any figure in them. I like this one because the buttons really help you give a little bit more of that figure. I love it, like I've said a bajillion times. No, but seriously, I do love it, and I think I would definitely style this with sneakers. I wear everything with sneakers. And the last clothing item I got are these really fun cheetah pants. They are like a thicker material so you can't see through them, which I really like. I got these in a size US 4. I just figured that these were something that is super easy to make an outfit look dressier than it really is. You know when you're going out and you're with friends and like you don't know what to wear and everyone's putting on like different kinds of things and you're like, oh my gosh, I just don't know what to wear, but you can't wear jeans. I think this is a really good alternative to wearing this with like a very simple like black crop top and then pairing it with heels. I think that would really dress it up and make it look so cute. So I got these because I don't really ever have any cool statement pants. I wear the same thing every time I go out, so I was like, I need to find a different statement pant. And why not cheetah? I love this zebra and cheetah combo going on right now. I also forgot to mention this skirt that I got. It's just a really cute maroon mini skirt, and I felt like this was perfect for fall because it has some floral, but I feel like maroon burgundy is super pretty to style in the fall, especially with the sweater and some sneakers, so I wanted to include this as well. Now getting into the accessories and shoes, I've got one pair of shoes to show you guys, and I love them. So these are the black sock booties. I love sock booties. I think these are like the most flattering for really any outfit because I really like wearing these with straight leg wide jeans and then having a sock booty underneath. I think it's such a cute look. I also really like these just even if you're trying to dress up an outfit because it's not a full like booty look or heel look, but it just gives you more of like a comfortable vibe. So I really, really like these. They're very simple and I just feel like I needed them in my wardrobe. I have some in nude, but I think it's time to get black. Okay, so for some other accessories, I got this belt, and this is so out of my comfort zone, but that's the point. So it is just this like wide rectangular belt, and it looks kind of like it's like knit. I thought this would be so good because I feel like you can do this with dresses. Like if you need to cinch your waist a little bit, this is such a cute way to do it that doesn't look super basic. And then another thing was with any of the tank tops I showed you guys, like doing like a plain white crop top, okay? And then high-waisted jeans that are like baggier, but with a belt, I feel like that gives you such a cute, simple look. Like it's adding an accessory, but it's not doing too much. It's not like a bunch of jewelry. It's not a bunch of like crazy shoes or anything. Adding the belt, I think is a huge, like, I don't know. I just think it's really, really cute. So I got this black one because I have been needing a new belt and new accessory to throw into my outfits. Next up, we've got some sunglasses. So I picked out some sunglasses. I love Princess Polly's sunglasses. I love all the brands that they have on there. The ones I have on my head actually right now are also Princess Polly, and they're really cool. They're like edgier vibes, but this one I felt like was a little bit more day to day. I definitely can't wear these every day, so I felt like these were more day to day. Oh, I probably need to take these off, but I thought these were so cool on the site. And I also needed gold because I lose my sunglasses so often, and I had a pair of gold glasses and I lost them, and because I wear so many gold accessories, it's kind of awkward when I wear silver accent sunglasses. So I really, really like these. Next up, I got some scrunchies. I just really wanted scrunchies from them. They had so many different kinds, and I was like, I need to start wearing different scrunchies with each of my different outfits. So I got this one because I really feel like this like color is good for fall, wearing like a dark green. And then this one is just fun. I figured when I'm working out and stuff, I'll always just have like scrunchies. These are so fun to play with. I'll always just have scrunchies with me when I'm going to my workouts and stuff. Just like add a little bit to my everyday look. When I'm wearing a big t-shirt and shorts, like I throw a scrunchie on. The next thing I got are these socks. I got these cheetah socks, and I know like you guys are gonna be like, I just don't understand why. This is my vision. I have a vision that it would be so cute if you're wearing like an all black outfit or something, and then you wear white sneakers and you throw the cheetah socks on so that they're higher. I think it would make an outfit look so cute. It just gives you like a more fun vibe, and I just really liked these, and I want to try them out with an outfit here soon, but I really, really love them, so I got them. Okay, the last accessory that is my favorite accessory that I've got from Princess Polly is this beautiful, cute little purse. We all know that like the vintage small bags are like really back in right now, and a lot of them are like the Prada ones or the Fendi ones or whatever, but we can't all afford Prada and Fendi, sweetie. So here we are with this one, and I absolutely love it. I feel like this is such a cute bag with any outfit, genuinely. And I also really liked it because it has gold accents. I wear really a lot of gold jewelry all the time, every single day. So I wanted a bag that would match that, and just one I can like run errands with. It's not huge. I don't really need to like lug it around, and because I can't fit like a bunch of stuff in it, I can fit just the right amount. Because I can't fit a bunch, it makes it so where I don't like leave the house with a lot of heavy stuff that I don't need. So I just really, really love this bag. So I want to share it with you guys. This is my favorite accessory I've gotten. Like, I cannot wait to bring this bag with me everywhere and just be like, I'm sorry, who are you talking to? Come again. Goodbye. Alrighty guys, that is it for my Princess Polly haul. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to check out all of the links down below if you guys want to get any of these items. One of my favorite things ever is when you guys go and you buy the clothes that are from my hauls, and you guys send me or tag me pictures on Instagram wearing them. Like, that is my favorite thing ever, because I love that me and like you guys have so much of the same style, and I love recommending clothes and bags and jewelry and all that fun stuff to you guys. So if you guys buy any of these items, don't forget to tweet me or post them on your story on Instagram or send them to me, because it makes me really happy. And when you guys do buy them, you guys can use the code 20Keaton so you guys can save 20% off. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I post every single Wednesday and Friday on this channel, and I would love to keep you guys around. If you guys just subscribed, comment in the comments down below and say, hello, I'm a new subscriber, I just am new to this channel, and I will be welcoming every single one of you, because it means a lot to me that you guys would subscribe. And so thank you guys so much. I'm done blabbering. I've been talking this whole video, just yapping my mouth off. So I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.